Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to copy a post link on Instagram using your PC. With the latest updates, this process is straightforward and quick, making it easier than ever to share your favorite content. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's time to create one so you can explore all the amazing posts and profiles on the platform. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to find the post you want to link to. You can either scroll through your feed or use the search bar at the top to locate a specific profile. Type in the username or hashtag related to the post you're interested in, and click on the profile or hashtag to see the posts. Now that you've found the post you want to share, click on it to open it in full view. This allows you to see all the details, including the comments and likes, which makes sharing even more fun. Next, look towards the top right corner of the post. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the options menu. Click on these dots, and a small menu will pop up with a couple of choices. From this menu, select Copy Link. This action will instantly copy the link to that specific post to your clipboard. It's a simple step, but it opens up a world of sharing possibilities. Now that the link is copied, you can easily paste it wherever you want. Whether you're sharing it in a message, posting it on another social media platform, or even saving it for later, just right-click and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the link. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a post link on Instagram using your PC. It's an easy way to share amazing content with friends or followers, whether it's a stunning photo, a hilarious meme, or a motivational quote. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing on Instagram.